Clay and Coco with eKnives.com, and today I'm so excited to do this unboxing of a brand that we picked up this past year at Blade Show. We finally met these guys at Blade Show Atlanta. It's Holme Hadfield. I bought you one of these several years ago.
If you're in the EDC world and you've been on Instagram at all, you've seen their ad. They're all over social media and they have different options for different EDC needs. Yeah, great way to put that.
Or niches. Yeah. One of the coolest things about them is their packaging. We're all about some packaging, and these make like some of the best gifts. I think I got you yours maybe for Father's Day several years ago, but it is a package within itself. It's really cool. So we wanted to actually unbox one of these and walk you guys through it so you can actually see for yourselves. These make great gifts. We're right here at Christmas time. Let's check it out.
Yeah.
And I think today we are unboxing the Knife Deck Pro. First, you have your protected, this is your mat. So we'll get to this in just a minute, but this is like your leather mat that you can add in.
Did not know that.
I put ours together. We actually have a couple of these at home.
You put mine.
And guess who did the unboxings?
Not me.
All right. Ooh.
Yeah.
I gotta stand up on this one. Sleeve on. Turn this around here. So, packaging, like this is really cool. It's already wrapped for you.
And it comes shipped in a box within a box that's super padded.
Yeah.
These have glass covers on them and stuff like that that can easily break. So their packaging is really well done. It's super padded, super protected. Let me help you out.
Thank you. Ooh, okay. So set that there. All right, look at that already. See how padded this is? It's very protected. All right. That's really cool too though. I love how this comes down like as you're unboxing this.
Card.
Little card information.
Yeah.
Perfect. We have another layer. Hold on. As we don't use knives.
No, I don't want to scratch anything up.
Okay. Look at this.
So is this the one I have or no?
This is the Knife Deck Pro. You have the original Knife Deck. So the difference is the Pro actually has a hinged. Look at that. Yeah. So I'm going to turn this around. Your acrylic cover is actually hinged, where yours you actually have to lift the lid off and
it's not glass, it's acrylic, so pretty durable. Mine's next to our bed, but I have 4 knives in that, so this holds 4 knives very well. But I love that hinge. Yeah,
you have your little notches there. Here, hold on, let's pull out some
knives in here.
Let's see.
Put your favorite folders.
Yeah. We have some pretty large knives in here too. We have a Stitch, we have an
Strider.
SNG, we have a Three Rivers Atom, and a McNeese Dixon. Look at that.
Yep.
So this is a great way for you to be able to showcase some of your favorite pieces and some of your really special pieces. I love this.
Maybe you're going out on Saturday night pieces.
Yeah, or your church on Sunday morning pieces.
Yes.
Yeah. Also, you have this really nice drawer that you can use for other knives, other EDC carry pieces, watches,
wallet money, whatever.
Jewelry, anything can go in here.
They come in different colored woods or no?
So you have, this is the black wood. You also have a walnut wood. So your piece like this is the black wood. We took one of the big Armadas. So the Armada Pro is like one of their biggest.
They come in different sizes. Like they hold a lot more knives, watches, whatever you want. They have a lot of different options.
I think we took that one in the walnut. So that one's really beautiful. Not every one of them, but some of the models come in a cherry and some of them come in a gray. But like I said, they have a lot of different styles. So this is the Knife Pro. They also have one that's just for watches. They have a knife watch combo, which is really cool. They do some where these little holders actually switch in and out. So you could do watches, knives, whatever you want.
EDC tools.
Yeah, they have one for coin holders. So like if you collect coins, challenge coins, poker chips, anything like that, they have those. They have a pin one now. I think they brought the pin out this year at Blade Show Atlanta. If you are a collector of pins and you want to display all your beautiful pins, They have one of those. Sunglasses, they have it all. And they just came out with a jewelry box. I don't even know if you've seen this yet.
No,
but
I need that, or I need that.
Yeah, so they did their pre-sale on it, so we haven't been able to get them yet, but it actually lights up. So there's actually LEDs, so it displays lit up. So
that's cool.
I'm gonna have to have one of those.
Yeah, they've really inserted themselves into the EDC community, and they should, because this is EDC stuff.
Yeah.
Like this, they're right up our alley.
And they're great guys.
Super
like
nice
we
guys.
loved meeting them and hanging out with them at Blaze Show Atlanta.
Got cool British accents.
There you go. It's Ian and Phil. Hey guys. They've been great to work with. We love partnering with them and just being able to offer you guys this, because these are really, really great quality pieces. You spend a lot of money on your EDC gear. This is a great way to showcase that and protect them as well.
Yeah, you don't want to just toss it in a drawer.
We went ahead and put this in, but let me show you real quick.
Oh yeah, you want to put these.
Yeah, let's do this. You have this leathered, look at that, mat that just like escalates it. So if you like the look of the wood, cool. But this just like elevates your case. Look at that. That's cool.
Yeah, that's very neat.
Yeah. So again, down in here, you have some little compartments. This is felt, so it protects anything.
And these aren't super expensive. This one's like what?
Maybe $165, $195.
Maybe $200. Like
around in there.
I can't remember, but it looks more expensive than it is. I'll say that. I remember when we got it, I thought, wow, I thought that'd be like $500-$600. So
and they're constantly adding new pieces and updating their existing ones. They actually listen to you guys. They're listening to the EDC community, taking your feedback, listening to what you want changed, and they're doing it right. It's really cool.
Yeah, really great guys doing a really good thing. I'm glad we're partnered with them too.
Yeah.
It's a great product.
Again, this is the Knife Deck Pro from Holme Hadfield. And again, it has this very nice hinged acrylic cover. This one holds 4 knives displayed, but like we said, they have much larger versions. They also have really cool, and I'm actually gonna give him one for Christmas, the valet for your bedside.
Oh, valet tray?
Yeah. Valet tray that has like your phone charger and
that's nice.
all of that stuff. Yeah. Those run, I think, under $100. So really great price.
Well, now you're gonna have to get me something else, because I already know about this.
All right, guys.
Tell us what you think about the Holme Hadfield product. You think it's super cool. If you've had one, tell us your thoughts on it. If you like it,
which one's your favorite?
Models coming out too.
We don't have them, but they have them, I know, on their website. If you want to start stacking, like you want to start adding drawers, they actually have them. You can add and stack. Yep. So it's like the solid wood drawers here that you can just stack, so you can add more pieces. So
cool.
Yeah, really
Awesome.
cool. Like Clay said, let us know. Do you own a Holme Hadfield piece? What do you think about them? Which one is your favorite? Which one is on your Christmas wish list? Make sure you send it to a loved one and let them know. We have, I think, almost all the models in stock that are EDC. We don't have the sunglass one, but we have most of the ones that are like EDC specific here.
Thanks so much, guys. Thanks for all your support. Reach out to us, support@eKnives.com, or call or text us 423-525-9477.
Make sure you like, subscribe, hit all the buttons below for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, X, TikTok, and yeah.
As always,
have a nice day.